Welcome to the Nguma-bada campus of James Cook University in Smithfield, located in the stunning tropical city of Cairns, Queensland, Australia. Nestled at the foot of the Macalister Range and just minutes from the Great Barrier Reef, this campus is one of the most beautiful and unique university settings in the world. James Cook University, or JCU, is internationally recognized for its excellence in marine science, environmental research, and tropical health, and its location makes it the perfect place for field-based education. The Nguma-bada campus is the largest of JCU's northern campuses, offering state-of-the-art facilities, peaceful learning spaces, and vibrant student life. Nguma-bada means belonging to tomorrow in the Yurganiji language, a reflection of the campus's deep respect for First Nations culture and the bright future it offers its students. From this stunning base, students can explore the Daintree Rainforest, dive into reef research, or study environmental sustainability firsthand. Thanks for joining this aerial journey over James Cook University's Nguma-bada campus. If you enjoyed the view, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more breathtaking destinations across Australia and beyond. See you in the next video.